Good morning, my friends. I've got an interesting project for us. You remember this fuel pump that came out of this assembly from a Nissan Almera that sit for many years with contaminated fuel in. So we're going to grind this open and see how it look inside, just for the interesting sake. And the fuel was contaminated with what is the name? With turpentine, and it was a total mess. So let's grind it open and see how it look inside and how it works. Okay, my friends, let's cut it. And my plan is to, let me just set you up right. My plan is to cut it like this, and then maybe around and open it like a prickly pear. I think that's the name. For in Afrikaans it's a Turks vy, but a prickly pear. So let us start cutting. I just want to see if he's still in the picture. I guess so. Okay. Okay guys, I worked to the wrong side, but I'll bring you back just in a short while. Okay guys, you can see maybe it opens up a little bit with a screwdriver. Let me cut it a little bit here and bring you then back again. Okay guys, I cut it now. Ish, it'll be a little hot. I cut it off right around there and more or less halfway there. So let me see if I can open it for us. Okay, let's see guys. It's a little bit tough. Right, need more grinding. Okay guys, this part came off when I grind it. So we will have now a look to everything, but this part is now off, and there sit a tiny little bearing, and you can see the stator, and on this side it's now loose. I think we can pull it off. Okay, so let me put you down and we look what we have. Okay guys, I want to break this piece of plastic if I can. Like that. Okay, let's take the stator motor out. There's it. And can you see how come this machine won't run and pump fuel for us? And there's the stator windings. This was a total mess. Okay, let's see. This is a pump side. This is where fuel must come in or out at least. You see the pipe fits in there with a filter. So this, I think this should also come out. Let me just get the screwdriver. Yeah, this must come off for the rest of the pump. I will see now. And here's the other part. This is the brushes. There's a brush motor. Sorry guys. And inside I believe is a bush. I don't think there's a bearing. Maybe. And your electrical ports for the brushes. Okay, but that is very interesting. I would like to see what is inside here, because this is a part of the pump. I'll see now if I can open it. I'll show you the part that fits there. You see, this is the filter, supposed to be, and it fits over there. So before we go to the fuel injection system, the fuel comes through the filter inside the pump, and then it go out on top. Yeah. Okay, that's interesting. Okay guys, I'll bring you back if I can manage to open there. I would like to see what is behind there. Well, this is the stator with a small bearing or bush. It still turns, so it's only a bush. But this motor was done, guys. It was done. Actually, this part doesn't look too, it will clean up nice. It doesn't seem if that turpentine do something to the stator or the armature. Okay, let me see guys. I'll bring you back maybe. Okay guys, I managed to get it open, and I'm not sure what is this part. You can see there's a passage there, and there's some indents or holes, but this sit like that. But this was not rotating, so I can't see what it is. Maybe it can come out. It's a very interesting setup. I don't know what is this. Maybe one of you know. But I will maybe clean it up and see how everything looks. But I just want to see how it works and everything. So the motor side and the pump side. Okay, this is just the last shot of all the spares for a Nissan pump with its filter that work in this assembly with the float. Okay my friends, see you on the next video, and I hope you liked this one. Cheers, bye bye.